Okay, I'm going to start my second hexagon. I'm going to chain 6, and then I'm going to slip stitch back into the very first chain. Remember, I'm going to go fast. Now I'm going to chain 3, and I'm going to work 2 double crochets next to that chain 3. So that is my first granny cluster. And now I'm going to chain 3, and I'm going to work 3 more double crochets into that ring. And that is my second granny cluster. So we want 6 of these around this circle. So I'm going to chain 3 again and work 3 more double crochets. And I'm going to chain 3 again and work 3 more double crochets. And I'm going to chain 3 again, work 3 more double crochets. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 granny clusters. I'm going to chain 3, and I'm going to work my last cluster in that space. So now we have 6 granny clusters. To finish, you need to chain 3 and slip stitch to the top of the chain 3 where you started. Okay, and the chain 3 where you start your round is always going to count as your first stitch. Okay, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 holes to work in. So I'm going to chain 3 plus 1. That's my skip space. Into the next space, I'm going to work my first cluster, my 3 double crochets. I'm going to chain 3, and into that same space, I'm going to work my second cluster, which is 3 double crochets. Before I work my next corner space, I have to chain 1. Now I'm going to jump over here and work my first cluster, a chain 3, and my second cluster. And at the corner of every corner that you get to, you're going to have a cluster, chain 3, cluster. So I'm going to chain 1 and jump over to this space and work my next cluster, chain 3, and my next cluster. I'm going to chain 1, jump to this hole, work my corner, 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet. I'm going to chain 1, jump into this next hole with my cluster or 3 double crochets, chain 3, 3 double crochets, chain 1. Now I'm at my last corner. So there's my 3 double crochets. Right here is where we started. We started with a chain 3 plus 1. So now we're going to finish with 2 double crochets, and then we're going to slip stitch into the third chain, 1, 2, 3, to end our row and finish our cluster. So you have to make sure that you have got your 6 corners, or it's not a hexagon. So I'm going to chain 3, and into this same space I'm going to work 2 double crochets, chain 1 to skip to this hole, work the corner, chain 3, finish the corner. Chain 1, jump into the center hole here, work 3 double crochets or 1 cluster, chain 1, skip to this hole, and work your corner stitch. 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet, or cluster, chain 3 cluster. Chain 1, skip, and you're going to do this for every single round until your hexagon is as big as you want it to be. But you're going to need 2 hexagons to make your cardigan. So I said it was going to be quick. I feel like this is quick. And I'm just going to keep doing that. I'm not turning my work. You can if you know how to turn your work. I'm just going to keep working in a continuous circle. And when I get back over here to where I join to finish my row, I'll show you. See, I'm at my last corner. Before I slip stitch into that chain 3 to join, I'm going to chain 1 because I can't forget that, and then slip stitch to join. And that's just what you do. You just keep it going around.